Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the grille or Scudetto on Alfa Romeo 147 without taking the whole bumper off. To do this job I'm gonna use my spinner handle, my small quarter-inch ratchet, small extension, large extension, 10mm socket, and the Phillips screwdriver socket. I'm gonna start by removing the hood latch. It is held in place by these three nuts right here. There are two on the top and there is one more on the bottom, as you can see right here. By removing the hood latch, I'll be able to gain access to these four upper screws which hold the Scudetto in place, and there are two more on the bottom which will require the vent removal. I'm gonna start by removing these two upper nuts using my small ratchet and the 10mm socket. Now I'm gonna remove the bottom one. It is a bit tricky. I'm gonna use all of my extensions, my spinner handle, as well as my small ratchet. Now that I got the latch out of the way, I can access the two top screws and two in the middle. So I'm gonna use my small ratchet and my Phillips screwdriver socket just to loosen them, and I can undo them the rest of the way by hand. As I said, to remove the two bottom screws I need to remove the vent, and I'll put the link of that video in the description. Again, all you gotta do is loosen them and you will be able to unscrew them rest of the way by hand. Now that I got those two screws out of the way, I can finally remove the grille. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit a like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of our team.